What's up, nerds and virgins? It's your boy APE Crypto, and today I'll be talking about Clay Nation and the huge release of the Clay paper, and I'll be breaking down what's in this, and I'll go over the significance of this and how huge this is for the CNFT space. This is game changing. But before we do that, I'd appreciate it if you could like this video, and if you want to keep up with regular CNFT content, I'd recommend you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. And while you're at it, make sure you follow me on Twitter if you want quicker updates and quicker news. And also, if you want to support me even further, make sure you follow my own project, Nerds and Virgins, which is dropping on the 26th of November at 5 PM UTC. So Clay Nation, the number 2 all-time ranked CNFT project, arguably the most popular collection in CNFT history, has just released a bombshell in their Clay paper, aka their white paper, detailing what's in store for the future. So let's dive into this and let's see for ourselves. So here we are onto the Clay paper. So first they have their social media links and their contacts, and then we have kind of an intro to the Clay paper. The plans laid out in this paper are subject to change, and the decisions to do so will be made by their team. Nothing is set in stone, everything is set in clay. We're a small dedicated team, and our plans will take time, and we ask for your patience while we work to deliver. You cannot rush perfectlation. So they're outlining here that they'll have future plans in this document, so let's go further. So first, they have a couple things about their team and their values, and copyright statements, a brief history of the past, and the drops that came with it. They cover what's happening now, and now to the bit that you're all waiting for, what is happening in the future. So, future. 2022 onwards. The first thing they say is legs. And as you can see, there is a clay with legs. So, Clay Nation holders will be able to download their matching full body 3D game ready unique avatar for free. They will be fully compatible with AR and VR functionality, with the approximate delivery in February of 2022. Clay Nation holders will be able to set foot in the village, a place to vibe with friends and nature, set in the enchanted woodland of Clay Nation. So as you can see, this is absolutely massive, and it is awesome to see that the Clay Nation team are diving into the metaverse with the village. So your regular clays that you hold from the Good Charlotte Claymate release or the original Clay Nation release, in this metaverse they will now have legs with a full 3D game ready unique avatar, all for free. All you have to do is hold one of these clays from either the Good Charlotte collection or the Clay Nation collection. In the village, your clays can walk, run, jump and groove, and it will consist of weekend virtual events where there will be music, dancing, meditation and education. And as you can see on the screen, this is one of the first demo tests run on Unreal Engine, just to give you an idea of what this will look like. Once the game is ready, Clay Nation holders will be able to acquire pictures and plots at the village in Clay Nation. The land will vary in size, shape and distribution, and the team plan to implement smart contract functionality to open these opportunities, such as allowing pitch holders to customize their zones and choose who they hang out with in them spaces. The homes would be tents, teepees and tree houses, which will most likely be customizable to your preference. I'm not 100% sure here, but I believe this is only available for Clay Nation holders, which is the original 10,000 set. But no need to worry if you just own a Good Charlotte clay, as every Clay Nation and Good Charlotte collab is a raffle ticket, and airdrops will be sent at random intervals throughout this year and onwards. So pretty much all you have to do is hold, and you have access to an exclusive Clay Nation festival zone known as the Underworld. So holding both Good Charlotte clays and regular Clay Nations is highly beneficial in this metaverse. So as you can see, the Clay paper and the future plans that are in this white paper are absolutely amazing. These add awesome utility to these clays and will bring the Clay Nation community's unity to a whole nother level. This is an absolutely huge announcement, and massive props to the Clay Nation team for having such a vision. I really can't wait for this to happen, and I have no doubts it will be awesome like everything else that Claymates have touched. The fact that you'll be able to use your clays in this world is insane, and it's awesome that you'll be able to interact with other Clay Nation holders in the village. I have no doubt this will be successful, and I cannot wait for this, and I will definitely be kicking back in the village often. This clay world will just be off the charts. If you're looking to ask more questions than what I could find in the Clay paper, you can head over into the Claymates Discord and click on this channel, which is in the community tab. This is Clay Paper Questions channel, And you can go in here and ask questions, and Creator will answer them for you. The creators have been answering a ton of questions, and they're answering most people, so just shoot your shot, ask a question, and see what you can find out for yourself. I'd recommend scrolling up because the creators most likely have answered majority of the questions you have. And as a creator of a project myself, I know how time consuming it can be asking the same questions. It's not a problem, but these people are clearly busy, so make sure you just scroll up before you ask these questions. I've personally found out a lot here. An interesting thing that I did find out from reading this, that the land I was speaking about in the village will be up for sale. So keep an eye on that if you want your own piece of land in this clay world. I know I do. So with Clay Nation already being an amazing collection that's super unique and arguably already the most popular CNFT, now getting such utility and dabbling in the metaverse, the 5k floor for Clay Nation that I predicted a couple months back is most likely too low. Metaverses are blowing up, the Clay Nation NFTs are awesome, and the CNFT space is so young and it has so much more time to grow and mature that I really do believe that Clay Nation can push ridiculous prices. And most importantly, they'll be pushing boundaries and setting a standard for the CNFT space. And I do believe that Clay Nation will be the #1 collection on Cardano. I feel like it's just a matter of time. And if not, it'll easily be in #2 behind Space Buds. Space Buds is more like the crypto punks, and it's because it's one of the first collections, it's more of a nostalgic thing and like a collector's item, but I feel Clay Nation is just doing everything right. Adding utility, rewarding holders, while all looking amazing, and the team is super transparent. It's just perfect in my opinion. Whatever amount I was bullish on clays before, I am 10 times more bullish now, given their own clay world is on the way. The possibilities for Clay Nation is endless, and I cannot wait to see it unfold, and I am incredibly grateful that I ended up minting 11 of these, and I ended up minting 10 good Charlotte clays as well. I currently own 19 clays, and I will not be selling anytime soon, given these developments. The CNFT space has a whole lot to grow, and I believe Clay Nation will lead the way. What an outstanding project, and huge props to the team. Just before I wrap this up, I'd like to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice, so do not take it that way. This is just my own opinion on Claymates and Clay Nation, and you should form your own before making decisions what to do with your ADA. So if you want to find out more about Claymates and this insane clay paper release and all the details that come with it, I'll leave a link in the description for their Twitter, for the website, for the clay paper, and I'll also leave a link for their Discord, so you can check the community out, as well as head over into the clay paper channel and ask some questions with the creators for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, but most importantly found it valuable, be sure to smash that subscribe button, as well as hitting the notification bell so you do not miss a single video. I'd also appreciate it if you could like this video, because it helps with the YouTube algorithm and helps my videos get out there, which ultimately helps more people, which is the goal of this channel. I'm APE Crypto, the leader of nerds and virgins. Thank you for all watching, and I'll see you all next time.